The Island Girl team is proud to present 47 T-View Place in the sought-after neighborhood of Pine Valley in Rotonda West. This elegant open floor plan, 3-bed, 3-bath pool home is in a private park-like setting, surrounded by lush landscaping and backing up to a pond and partial golf course view. Enter into the welcoming foyer, which splits off into the formal dining room on one side and the office or den on the other. Notice the tray ceilings and arched windows in both rooms. The foyer leads to the fantastic open floor plan living room and kitchen. Take advantage of the indoor-outdoor lifestyle. Open the glass sliders from the kitchen and living room onto the lanai. Notice too the beautiful tray ceilings and custom lights and ceiling fans. The chef in the family will love the spacious eat-in kitchen with granite countertops, built-in oven and microwave, and stainless steel appliances, plus a wine refrigerator and breakfast bar. Notice too the oversized ceramic tile flooring laid on the diagonal and upper and under cabinet lighting in kitchen. Relax in the master suite, which opens up fully with disappearing sliders onto the lanai. The master bath features a walk-through shower along with bathtub and his and her sinks and vanities. There's plenty of room for family and friends with 2 guest bedrooms and the split bedroom floor plan for privacy. You'll love entertaining on the extended covered lanai, featuring a summer kitchen with fridge, plus a wall-mounted TV and fire pit. There's even a cabana bath for added convenience. Float the day away in the sparkling heated pool and spa. Play with the family in the backyard, or play a round of golf you're a stone's throw off the green. This home is in a great location, just minutes to everything that makes living in Southwest Florida great. Golf, fishing, beaches, boating, shopping, and of course, our famous Gulf of Mexico sunsets. Call the Island Girl team and start living your Florida dream today.